Hey guys, I'm here with my 2017 GT Fury Fits Edition for a bike check. So let's start with the cockpit. To start off, I got some Spanx bike aluminum bars. For my brakes, I'm running some SRAM guides. For my shifter and derailleur, I got a SRAM GX. And let's get on with the wheel set. Okay, so for my wheel set, I got some Maxxis Minion DHS in the front on some DT Swift rims, and on the back I got some High Roller 2s on some DT Swifts. And now for the drivetrain. To start off with my drivetrain, we're going to start off in the front. I got a SRAM 34 tooth chainring with a G1 bash guard behind that. In the rear I got a 7-speed cassette with the SRAM GX derailleur, and I got some Descendant cranks and some Spanx spike pedals. And now for the suspension. For my suspension, I got some RockShox boxers in the front, of course, and in the back I got some RockShox cages. This one has 210 millimeters of travel, and the boxers have 200. And they are pretty soft, but it's good for going through tech and decent on jumps. I'm gonna go up to bare mountain so I can show all of you guys how this bike rides.